Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log in to Revolut Personal. Manage your digital banking step by step clearly. First, make sure your phone has a stable internet connection using Wi-Fi or mobile data. Open the App Store on iPhone or Google Play Store on Android. Search for Revolut and confirm the developer is Revolut Ltd before downloading. Install the app and wait until the installation is fully completed. Open the Revolut app from your home screen. On the welcome screen, tap Login to existing account. Enter the mobile phone number you used when creating your Revolut personal account. Double-check the country code so the verification message goes to the correct number. Tap Continue to request a verification code. Check your SMS messages for the Revolut verification code. Enter the code in the app exactly as shown in the message. If the code does not arrive, wait a minute and tap Resend Code once. When prompted, allow the app to use notifications so you can receive security alerts. Create or enter your passcode if the app asks you to set one for quick access. Enable Face ID or Touch ID on iPhone, or fingerprint on Android, if you want faster and safer login. If you see a security check, confirm it is you by following the on-screen instructions. If you are asked for additional verification, take a clear photo of your ID as requested. Make sure your selfie verification is done in good lighting and without accessories covering your face. After successful login, you will land on the home screen where your balance and accounts appear. Tap Accounts to view your main account and any additional currency accounts you hold. Tap Cards to manage your physical or virtual cards and check card security settings. Tap Payments to send money, make bank transfers, or view recent transactions. Tap the Search or Activity area to quickly find a specific transaction by name or amount. Tap Profile or Settings to update your personal details, privacy, and notification preferences. In Settings, review Security to manage passcode, biometrics, trusted devices, and app access. If you cannot log in, use the Forgot Passcode or Trouble Logging In option on the login screen. If your phone number changed, follow the in-app recovery steps and be ready to verify your identity. For extra safety, never share your verification code, passcode, or device unlock details with anyone. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.